name is Carla Kidwell, and I work for Purdue Extension as a 4-H youth development educator. And thanks so much for joining me today as we learn and do an experiment with cranberries. Cranberries have long been a part of our Thanksgiving traditions here in the United States. Historians believe that cranberries were present at the first Thanksgiving between the Pilgrims and the Native Americans because they were readily available on the East Coast of the United States, and that Native Americans ate cranberries, harvest cranberries, as well as used the color found in cranberries to use in textiles that they used in their everyday household living. The other thing about cranberry juice, and cranberries in particular, we're going to be using juice today, is they contain a compound known as anthocyanin, which scientists believe help lower our risk of heart disease, cancer, and help memory. Anthocyanins are contained in fruits that have a red or a blue color. So blueberries, cranberries, and certain kind of grapes are examples of foods that contain anthocyanins. Cranberries and cranberry juice is also acidic. So today we'll be doing an experiment that is actually going to have two reactions. So to start with our experiment, we have a cup of cranberry juice, which you can either buy in the store pre-bottled or make from some things you have in your house left over, perhaps from a meal or a Thanksgiving celebration. So this is 1 cup of cranberry juice, which is also acidic. We are going to mix that with our 2 tablespoons, which I already pre-measured, of baking soda. Baking soda is a base, and as we already said, our cranberry juice is acidic. As we go on into high school and college and have the opportunity to take chemistry courses, we'll learn more specifics about acid and bases, but for what we're doing today, we're going to think of them as complete opposites, just like night is opposite of day. So when we put them together, they're going to react. So the first thing we're going to do, clear jar, and you'll want to make sure it's a taller jar. We're going to add my pre-measured 2 tablespoons of baking soda. So you'll see right away that mine is fizzing and bubbling at the top because the base is reacting to the acid in the cranberry juice. So the next step you'll want to do is set this to the side for 2 minutes because another reaction is also taking place. The anthocyanins are reacting with our base, or our baking soda again, to change the color of the cranberry juice because that particular pigment, an anthocyanin that we've been calling it, is very sensitive to acids or bases, and that's how it determines the color of the product that it's found in. So I have already prepared my 2-minute experiment here. This is what mine looked like after 2 minutes. So you'll see my juice is now this dark purple color instead of the red color that it was when we started. And again, this is because of the 2 reactions that you made happen today by just adding the baking soda to our product. This concludes our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. And again, it's something that can easily be replicated at home or in the classroom by just having a clear jar or a clear glass, cranberry juice, and baking soda. Thanks.